My name is David Rondon. I'm an immigration attorney based primarily in South Florida. We have offices in Miami and in Palm Beach County. Also have an office in the Washington, D.C. area. We do a lot of different types of immigration work, removal defense, non-immigrant and immigrant visas. I help people build strategies to come to the United States, stay in the United States, and fight deportation. I am introducing my channel to you. We started a YouTube channel. It's called imigraqui.com. I'm going to be doing some videos in English, Spanish, and Portuguese, which are two of the other languages that I speak, about different strategies to come to the U.S., different topics that are of interest at the moment with regards to immigration in the United States. I can't do all of the videos, obviously, in all three languages, just due to limited time, but I am going to provide a link down here. You can click and you can hear this video. If it happens to be in Spanish or in Portuguese, you can click on the link and hear it in English if you'd like, and we'll provide the audio to that video. Now, today I want to discuss a topic that is very concerning for a lot of immigrants right now in the state of Florida, which is where I primarily practice. And that is the law that was just passed by the Florida House to punish sanctuary cities, right? Which are cities that where basically a number of government services are provided to immigrants who are undocumented, don't have proper paperwork yet. And where the police doesn't necessarily collaborate with ICE so that undocumented immigrants are detained. Florida House just passed the law a couple of weeks ago that requires local officials to detain undocumented immigrants, and then punishes those counties and those cities if they refuse to do so. And it's very concerning. Luckily, that bill has not. There has to be a similar bill has to be proposed in the Senate, but it's possible that this bill could become this could become a law very shortly in Florida. So if you are undocumented right now in Florida, or if you have a deportation order, even worse, because there's some very negative provisions in the law regarding people who have deportation orders, you need to speak to an immigration attorney about what your situation is. There are provisions in the law right now. There's a lot more discretion than there has been in the past. And right now we're in the middle of a hotly contested election. You have, on the one hand, the rhetoric coming out of the Republican Party with Donald Trump and Ted Cruz saying that they want to build walls and they want to deport 11 million immigrants, which is I'll be surprised if they could actually do that, but that's what the rhetoric says. And then on the other hand, you have, on the Democratic side, you have Bernie Sanders and Hillary Clinton saying that they want to expand Obama's executive actions and that they want to push for comprehensive immigration reform. So you have radically different visions for the immigration laws of this country. But this year, you know what you're getting. You have a clear idea of what the law says and what the discretion says, because the Obama administration has set it forth in the last 2 years. So right now, especially in Florida, is the time for you to see an immigration attorney about your situation. If you live in another state, you might want to pick up the phone or do some research or get in touch with an immigration attorney also, because other states are considering similar legal provisions. And so, as amazing as that is, given the contributions of immigrants in this country, given that popular opinion is so divided on this issue, they are considering it. So you should consider getting in touch with an immigration attorney. You can contact my office. Send me an email at rondonlegal@gmail.com. You can visit our website at imigraqui.com and ask us any questions you'd like. And of course, come back to this channel. You can subscribe right here to the YouTube channel, and I hope you do. I hope to share different content. For instance, for those of you who are from the Middle East, from Syria, I'm going to have some videos discussing maybe some different paths through employment, how to obtain different types of employment-based visas. The asylum process, which I know I've gotten a lot of questions about that. What is the asylum process like? Can somebody qualify who's from Syria? What? Of course, sometimes the question is it depends, but we'll be talking about that. If you're from European countries, what are some of the options that you have with different investor visas, or if you're on a student visa and you want to change status to a work visa, what are the different options that you have available? So we'll be talking about some things like that. So I hope you subscribe to the channel, and hope you enjoy the videos. Thank you.